Some recipes feed you and some recipes tell a story. And today, we are telling a delicious one with this amazing, incredible catfish stew. It is very flavorful, delicious, and easy to make. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, not only will you learn how to make catfish stew, you'll also learn how to fold and dry your catfish at home. Now let's get cooking. In a pot, I'll go in with some olive oil. Once it is heated, I start building flavors, okay? So I'll start by introducing some bay leaves, dry thyme, some rosemary, and some freshly chopped basil leaves. You can use the dry one if that's what you have. Now, let's give it a nice stir. We're gonna allow it to fry for a minute or two or until fragrant, okay? Now at this point, let's introduce the diced onions. This is red onions. You can as well use white one if that's what you have, okay? Now let's give it a nice stir and allow to fry for a minute. Now at this point, I'll go ahead and introduce the tomato pepper mix. It's a blend of long pointed peppers, red bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic. You have to blend everything together, pour in your pot, and cook it down. Now, as for the full ingredient list, I'll be leaving it in the description box, so do well to check it out, okay? Alright, let's give it a nice stir and allow to fry. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, and snacks. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Now check in after frying for a few minutes and not well fried yet. We're going to fry some more, but not for a long time because our tomato pepper mix is already been pre-cooked, okay? Now at this point, it is ready. Now let's season with some seasoning powder, some salt, curry powder. For heat, I'll go in with some Scotch bonnet. I want it spicy. Now, let's introduce meat stock. This is turkey stock, okay? I'll go in with it. Now, how can you know your tomato is well fried? Look at when the oil starts floating on it, or you test it. Once the tanginess is no longer there, it is ready. Now, here comes the star of the show, the star ingredient to this recipe, the catfish. I went ahead to grill it or bake it for some time before using. You can choose not to. You can even choose to cut your own up, whichever one you prefer, okay? Now, how to fold and dry your catfish? The clip is at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end, okay? I'll give it a gentle stir, like adjusting it, okay? Once you've added your fish, do not over stir, because if you do, you'll end up with broken fish. Checking back after allowing it to simmer for just 3 minutes, it is time to garnish it up, lastly with some fresh chopped basil leaves. Now, let's give it another gentle stir, and that's it. It is ready, guys. Look at how delicious it looks. Oh my word. Do not sleep on this one. It's a must try. So give it a go and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. Alright? I'll go ahead and take it off the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our flavorful, delicious catfish stew is set. Please give it a go. Help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Now, what are you going to be pairing it with? For me, I'll be pairing it with white rice. So whilst I was making this stew, I have my white rice cooking by the side. So guys, it is dish of time. Oh my, look at that. I'm sure you are salivating already. I know you are. It looks so good, flavorful, and delicious. And please, if you've watched up unto this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like icon, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. Now, here is the part on how to prepare your fish. That is folding and drying it, okay? Unless you don't want to dry it, you can skip this part. Now, let's go. This is fresh catfish. You can use more than this if you want to store it. I'm using this number because I'll be using it right away, okay? All right, guys. Can you see how clean it looks? So you have to take your time to wash and clean it up thoroughly. Once you're done, the next thing to do is to pat them dry using your kitchen towel. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. Now, I'll go ahead and season with some salt. Salt alone, okay? Unless you are making for commercial purpose, you can include some paprika just to give it attractive look. Now, you have to take your time to rub it all over, massage the salt into the fish. Make sure the salt goes inside and outside the fish, okay? Alright, now it is time to score them. Because I'm using them, I want them to soak into the stew very well. So I'll go ahead and give them some cut like this, okay? Please, if you're making for commercial purpose, skip this part. Do not give it any incision. No cuts, alright? Now, it is time to fold. One thing about catfish is that even after washing, it can be a bit slippery. I don't know if that's the right word, but you know what I'm talking about. So you have to grab it firmly, okay? Now, with my skewer, I'm using skewer, okay, stick skewer. So I'll go ahead and push it in through the eyes. Yes, one of the eye. I'll push it in through there, cross it over the tail, and push it out to the outer part of the other side. And that's it. This is how to fold your fish. It is simple, right? Please watch it again and again. Practice and perfect it before recreating yours, okay? I wanted to do more example, but on this very day of shooting this video, I had storage issue. Please bear with me. Now, I'm going to transfer all of the fish into a baking tray and pop into my oven and bake or grill. After some minutes, our dry catfish is ready. This is how I want it, okay? Not too dry. There is no specific time required. It's about what you want. So what you do is to monitor it continuously. Once it gets to what you want, you bring it out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.